Good afternoon. My name is Tammie Causey-Konate. I have served as the Research Alliance liaison for the Educator Effectiveness Research Alliance, the alliance sponsoring this bridge event, since its inception. Currently, I serve as the project director with SEDL's Educator Systems Support Unit. On behalf of the Educator Effectiveness Research Alliance and the Regional Educational Laboratory at Southwest, I'd like to bring you greetings and welcome you to implementing of new Educator Evaluation Systems, Lessons Learned, a REL Southwest Bridge event webinar hosted by the Educator Effectiveness Research Alliance. Featured in today's bridge event are Dr. Dan Goldhaber, University of Washington, Basel, Mr. Chad Alderman and Ms. Carolyn Chong, Bellwether Education Partners, Ms. Carolyn Etheridge Fry, Ohio State Department of Education, and Dr. Matthew J. Lutz, Mid-Ohio Educational Service Center. What a great lineup. Next, I'd like to offer you an opportunity to get to know one another as we introduce ourselves. Take a few moments to complete the poll on your screen. Please indicate your home state and your role as an educator. As Jackie mentioned earlier, the regional educational laboratories are responsible for much of the work that goes on in the REL Southwest Research Alliances. There are actually 10 regional educational laboratories, and the REL's primary mission is to help states and school districts systematically use research and data to answer important issues of policy and practice set out to improve student outcomes. The REL Southwest region, which encompasses Arkansas, Louisiana, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas, is the home of 8 research alliances. One of the newest of the 8, the Educator Effectiveness Research Alliance, responds to one of the highest priority education policy issues in the REL Southwest region. It also offers a forum for educators, policymakers, researchers, and other education stakeholders in the REL Southwest region to engage in the examination of important issues related to educator effectiveness. The goal of today's webinar is to share background information, research findings, and a state perspective from Ohio related to the implementation of Educator Evaluation Systems. We will be guided by the agenda, and following this short overview of the agenda, we'll enjoy presentations from Dr. Dan Goldhaber and 4 other presenters. During the presentations, there will be ongoing opportunities for you to ask questions of the presenters. Once all 5 presenters have concluded their presentations, there will be a short question and discussion period, all done through chat pods, and then the closing. We ask that you take a few moments during the closing to offer your feedback on the bridge event. This is very important to us.